In 1621, as the printing press allowed nearly 33 million books to be printed in the UK, Robert Burton, an English author, complained, "What a glut of books! Who can read them? As already we shall have a vast chaos and confusion of books. We are oppressed with them, our eyes ache with reading, our fingers with turning." If he thought there were a lot of books back in the 1600s, he'd probably be shocked to visit the Library of Congress, which today houses over 40 million unique print publications in over 470 languages. And he would definitely be overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information available on the internet, which is predicted to reach 3.3 zettabytes per year by the year 2021. A single zettabyte is the equivalent of about 4 quadrillion books. It seems silly to complain about too many books, but even 400 years later, Burton had a point. Most people have felt the stress of information overload at some point in time. There's more information in the world now than any one person could ever process. So, how do we decide what sources we can trust and filter out all the rest?